Okay, a few of you had questions on problem 14 of yesterday's homework, which was to graph this piecewise function. Again, I always find the easiest way to graph a piecewise function is to make a t-table. The two pieces here, the first piece is a linear function or part of a linear function, and we're only using this piece when for any value of x less than -2. The other piece is a little bit more difficult because it's a quadratic function, and we're using this part of the quadratic function for any piece that, or any value of x that is greater than or equal to -2. So when I created my t-table for the linear function, again, I'm using the postulate that through any 2 points there's exactly one line. So I'm going to create a t-table for that. I'm going to choose the value of x to be -2 as my starting point for this piece. Although I know -2 is not included, I want to make sure I get any value of x that is smaller than -2 immediately. So when I graph this particular ordered pair on the coordinate plane, I'm going to use an open circle. You can use any value of x to the left. I just chose -3, and I got the ordered pair -3, 1. I plotted the 2 points. Again, remember, we want to use the open circle for -2. 1, because that ordered pair was not part of the domain. However, I wanted to make sure I got any values of x smaller than -2 included. For the quadratic, the first thing I did was I did find the vertex. I just wanted to check to see where it was located so that I could see if we were going to get that U-shaped part of the quadratic or it was just going to be a smaller piece of our quadratic. Saw the vertex was 0, -3, so we are going to get that turning point. I definitely want to make sure I use the ordered pair of -2, 1 because we want to include, that's the smallest value of x that is included for this ordered pair. And then I just pick some other values of x to the right of the vertex and to the left of the vertex so that I could get my U-shaped curve. I plotted those points. For this value of -2, again, I used the closed circle. I connected those points to get part of the parabola that you see there.